As time went on, I started to realize that photography alone wasn't enough. It was powerful, but it needed dialogue. It needed another field of knowledge to support and deepen what was emerging. Okay, but what is therapeutic photography? Therapeutic photography is the use of photograph images as a tool for emotional exploration, self-knowledge, and to create new ways of experiencing a situation. Whether you are a photographer, an artist, a therapist, or simply someone seeking a deeper relationship with images, this masterclass will offer you structure, references, and practical tools to begin your own investigation. I invite you to join me.